I've seen things you people couldn't imagine. I saw a sidewalk. I saw a car. I saw a truck. I saw. Ooh, one time it was this summer, and I saw a deer got hit by the side of the road, and there was maggots on the back, and the maggots were like moving because it was like a whole like 6 inches by 6 inches of maggots, and it smelled terrible. Ooh, because it was like really hot. It was like 90, 80 degrees. I saw some trash on the side of the street. I've seen things you people couldn't imagine. All these memories will be lost like tears in the rain.